With the children's population expected to hit 74.6 million this year, the market for children's books is booming. And so with AI, we can take advantage of this. Just consider for a second the success of the first AI-generated book, Alice in Sparkle. There is so much potential in this niche, I don't even know where to start. Like, one of the biggest channels on YouTube is called Ryan's Word, and it is one of the most paid channels on the planet. Now, getting started involves a few key steps. First, it's important to conduct market research to identify popular themes. Then you can use AI tools like ChatGPT for writing and Midjourney for illustrations. After a quality check, you could then list your book on platforms like Amazon KDP and maybe even consider minimal marketing efforts to boost your book's visibility. If you're still skeptical about making money with this, there's a YouTube video of a kid making $1 million with books generated using ChatGPT. Very high potential for profit here. Please consider this. The opportunities in this case are huge.
But did you remember he mentioned something called marketing? This is exactly what he's doing, and this is exactly what we do. But we added high ticket to it, and instead of marketing, we do affiliate marketing. This way, we don't need our own product, we don't need selling, we don't need shipping, no customer support, and heck, you don't even need your own website. And we can pretty much effortlessly earn $500 plus in affiliate commissions per sale. All what we do is make simple, short videos just like this one and publish them across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.